Alright guys, we're just picked up some parts for our dirt bikes from Roger Mortars, and we're gonna go see if we can bid on a new property.
Yeah, we're currently in,
as you can tell, we have a lot of money, but I think we can fix that soon. I'll see if I can get the game to remove some of that.
Yeah. You guys are about to see my expertise on driving a motorcycle.
Yeah. That's the money thing taken care of. Now we're gonna go look at the property.
Oh, make the link post. I'm going backwards.
You do this your GPS to figure out how to go there. Alright guys, hopefully this new place comes with some new vehicles, so this dude can't drive. Dude, can you just at least get there?
I'm gonna try. I got stuck in a curb again.
Actually, just drive back to the shop. I got an idea. I got an idea. How about that? You want an idea?
Idea. Struggle's real. If anybody knows why my motorcycle just ran,
I don't know if you guys saw it, but as we came in, I saw this purple car.
Dude, I love purple.
And it was sitting in the back.
I'm just going to park my bike here. So, if anybody in the YouTube world knows what my motorcycle just randomly turns left, even though I'm only going straight, I'm open for suggestions.
Dude.
You like that?
Dude, cut. We have to delete that video. I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
You can come back. I can't hear you. Hop on your dirt bike.
Hey guys, we're over at Moss Motors ×3. Spencer needed a little tune-up. My bike's currently in for maintenance. It's the broke. So they're giving me a loaner car since we're in town here. Yeah, they're letting me ride in the purple princess over here. In all her glory. She can hold about 17 people.
We're going to check out a new that we placed a bid on.
Yeah,
hopefully we get it.
We're looking to diversify our portfolio. We're currently in what's the name of this town? Golden Ag?
Yeah. Something like that. Alright, let's go see this property.
We're gonna go check out a piece of property.
Open to make some businesses.
Trolling in the purple princess here. She's rides like she's on a cloud. I don't even know a third person on this. There it goes.
Oh, dude, this is some good news. I see dump trucks outside.
Oh, nice.
Alright, so we have two.
Oh, I hope they don't get angry at me. Oh, it's okay. Laid it up right.
Two monster trucks, not two monster trucks, but two big trucks. Let's see, look under here.
Alright, so we got a train track. Close.
Oh, it looks like these connect to a fifth wheel, so we can use these as semis if we want.
Oh, nice.
Let's look at through these windows and just
the window. Alright, we got power. That's a good sign.
I see you side by side.
Dude, there's a fleet of white trucks in here. And a ladder. That's important.
I see a dump trailer. I see that might be a skid steer.
So I see. Looks like almost every truck has a trailer.
With dump bed. Where are the trailers? What? Question.
Nice.
Dude. Green.
Where'd my compadre go? Oh, wait. What? Oh, there you are. That's weird. Alright, so there's also a cabin.
Yeah, it's like a nice little cabin. Alright, let's go to the bank. Let's go to the bank and bid on it.
Let's do this.
Driving on the freeway. This radio is so good, dude.
Dude, I want you to know, I might just trade my bike in for this purple car. It's got a hitch.
I mean, we can talk to the owner.
This is like living the life of luxury here. I'm driving through a field and it's like I'm driving on a road. Oh.
How fast do you go doing that?
Oh, like 70.
Yeah, I can go 74 doing 4 and hitting jumps.
Nice. Bet I could hit a jump too. Oh, I can hit a sign. Oh, yeah, Maplefield Bank. We are at Morgan's Massive Motors Garden Center. Okay. Oh, there's an arcade here. Nice.
Where's the bank exactly?
I'm not sure. It should be a green leaf on it. Are we getting scammed?
Wait, what's the address here? Oh, this is our place. I'll be right back. Here you go, in this door.
I hit a truck, and now I can't pour again.
Dude, where are you at?
I'm stuck in the curb again. Oh, no. I hurt myself.
We own a building. We own a lot of buildings. And we own a lot of vehicles.
Alright, you ready to go check out our new place?
Can you drive this? Yeah, drive this. I gotta grab my bike.
Okay, I'm almost there. I see the orange truck.
Wait, fall back.
I barrel rolled in,
Dude,
so it's made a good show.
I got the door open.
Nice.
Dude, honest.
Alright, we got a drill press.
Oh, there's a skid steer. Some stump grinder, brush grabber, rock cutter, 2 landscaping setups.
Oh, nice, dude.
2 landscaping setups.
Oh, we're gonna become mowers?
A dump trailer.
That's where we can put all our grass clippings.
And look at this truck. Look how sick this truck is.
Oh, dude.
You sell
1982 special edition. Okay. Take my trailer. Okay.
Disconnect it.
Oh, disconnected. Okay, okay. Wait, am I on the right?
I did. So the door asked me to. If you say yes, I'll come there and validate the property.
Okay.
Picture of whatever we do now. Town's all the way.
Oh.
Just go do the door in a minute to evaluate.
Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is like a hypothetical question. I think. Does our new vehicles have insurance?
Well. So if I need to claim it, I'll just claim it tomorrow.
Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm headed back. Oh. Oh. That's fine, I'll get there.
I'll be flying the drone today.
Oh, nice. Uh-oh.
Get. See.
I sunk a truck.
Into another company's truck.
I'm sure it'll be fine. But I did find a nice beach. We can go swim it. On the bright side.
In another company.
Okay.
Dude, I'm watching everything you do. I'm on the drone.
Oh, nice. Alright. Take this one.
Why are you gonna take another Chevy?
That'll be fine, dude. This one's gonna go better. I can do it already. I just happened. Fun. I have no idea what just happened. Okay. Oh, the server has shut down.